But the reason you sign a waiver is I need to find out if anyone is deathly afraid of snakes. We have a lot of new people here that have never experienced anything like this. So I thought it was so appropriate that we have a new building and we're going to kick ass with something like this. Everyone is going to be blindfolded. We're going to break up the teams. Nothing's going to happen. Okay, don't freak out. I'm not going to let you guys die.
No one's been hurt since the first time we did it.
It's good to know, good to see that when you're a part of a family, per se, and I've only been here for a month, you have to support no matter what. Like even though you don't really know, you have people that'll support you, listen, and I think that's what really counts to push each other to be better. So.
Without pain, there is no progress. Push yourself.
If you want to be someone that is perceived to be valuable, resourcefulness is one of the most important characteristics you will ever develop as a human being. You will be able to write your check everywhere you go for any amount of money, attention, or fame if you are resourceful and you can create things where there weren't opportunities before.
We have to be able to move. And this is part of our commitment to the company, our commitment to you guys, that you, as long as you're willing to work hard, you will never be out of a job.